Welcome back, fellow wellness enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our channel Life Well Lived. In today's video, we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and unique flavor. Get ready to discover the science-backed benefits and exciting ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Let's jump right in. Understanding the health benefits of ginger is not just a flavorful spice, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with beneficial compounds. Research has shown that ginger possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable tool in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, ginger has been recognized for its digestive benefits, helping to ease nausea, promote healthy digestion, and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. Studies have also indicated that ginger has immune-boosting properties, supporting overall wellness. Furthermore, the potential anti-cancer effects of ginger have captured scientific interest, with preliminary studies suggesting its ability to combat oxidative stress and protect against certain types of cancer. Creative ways to use ginger in your daily life. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can be both enjoyable and health-promoting. Start by exploring ginger-infused beverages such as soothing ginger tea, refreshing ginger water, or zesty ginger lemonade. Don't limit yourself to beverages. Ginger can be a delightful addition to your culinary creations. Try incorporating ginger into stir-fries, adding a spicy kick to soups, or experimenting with ginger-infused sauces. For a quick and nutritious boost, blend ginger into your smoothies or juices. And if you're feeling adventurous, consider creating your own homemade ginger-based remedies, such as ginger tinctures or ginger-infused honey. Ginger for everyday ailments and wellness. Ginger has a long history of use for alleviating common ailments and promoting overall wellness. Many individuals find ginger to be an effective natural remedy for managing nausea, whether it's caused by motion sickness, pregnancy-related morning sickness, or general digestive discomfort. Ginger has also been recognized for its potential benefits in relieving menstrual cramps and supporting hormonal balance. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a popular choice for joint pain and arthritis relief. Additionally, ginger's ability to promote heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure is another reason to incorporate it into your daily routine. Scientific evidence and research studies. Scientific studies have provided valuable insights into the health benefits of ginger. Researchers have conducted numerous studies to understand the mechanisms of action behind ginger's therapeutic effects. Active compounds such as gingerols, shocols, and pyridols have been identified as key players in ginger's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-modulating properties. Clinical trials have demonstrated ginger's efficacy in various health conditions, including its anti-nausea effects in postoperative patients, its potential as a complementary therapy for chemotherapy-induced nausea, and its positive impact on osteoarthritis symptoms. And there you have it, the amazing health benefits of ginger and inspiring ways to incorporate it into your daily life. From its powerful anti-inflammatory properties to its digestive and immune-boosting effects, ginger truly is a superstar in the world of natural remedies. Don't be afraid to experiment with ginger in your recipes, beverages, and homemade remedies. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who can benefit from the wonders of ginger. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or incorporating new supplements into your routine. Ginger can interact with certain medications, so it's essential to ensure it is safe for you based on your individual health circumstances. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on our channel as we continue to explore the incredible world of natural remedies and empower you to take control of your well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who can benefit from the amazing qualities of ginger. Together, let's unlock the full potential of this remarkable spice and embrace a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored the extraordinary health benefits of ginger. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Remember, when it comes to embracing a healthier lifestyle, ginger is a powerful ally. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos coming your way. Until next time, take care and be well.